Okay, today we are unboxing an Amazon product. I just got it today, and I've been waiting for it since probably late summer. I'm just going to go ahead and apologize if it seems shaky or there are parts missing of this video. Trying to film this and do it with one hand while I'm unboxing is a little bit difficult, but this is an unboxing of a device for your vehicle. Maybe some of you have heard of this device. This is apparently what it looks like, and it is the Amazon Echo Auto. This is what it comes in. We'll open it up and see what it's like. Here's another shot of the box. It's just a plain, small, black box that the device comes in. As you can see, what's included: Amazon Echo Auto, power adapter, micro USB cable, 3.5mm aux cable and dash mount. What's needed: compatible smartphone with plan and Bluetooth or auxiliary connection to vehicle speakers. So here we go. I'm going to try and open this the best I can one-handed. If anyone is wondering, as you can see by my steering wheel, I do have a Hyundai. This is a 2014 Hyundai Santa Fe Sport edition, and I only say that because in order to be, I guess, considered for the Echo Auto, you have to have a vehicle in your Amazon garage. That is one of the criteria, I guess, they are trying to base the eligibility off of. So just opening the box, you can see there's an adapter, what looks like to be the device, and some cords. So let me go ahead and pull out the actual device if I can. For those of you who've seen it on the website, it looked pretty small, but apparently this is it. It's a very small looking device here. I'm not sure what that little slot is, or maybe that's just a light sensor on the side. Obviously, we have the Amazon logo, probably a mute button, and what I assume is an activity button. So we'll open this up a little bit more. I'll get out some of the accessories and see how exactly we should be plugging this in. To make this a little bit easier to show while I'm unboxing this junk, here we go. You get a double-sided break for your cigarette lighter. I'm sure everyone's seen one of those. You get the actual device. There we go on that. And then you get, let's see, again, it's a little bit difficult to do this one-handed, but this appears to be a power cable. I'm assuming this other is an aux cable. Yes, that looks like a regular aux cable. And then we have the documentation, Amazon Echo Auto. So, here we go. Questions. Alexa has answers. See if I can focus on this a little bit better. This looks like a quick start guide. Alexa, what can I say? Alexa, how many times or how many miles are in a kilometer? Alexa, what's the capital of Florida? Alexa, how do you say thank you in Italian? Obviously, if you don't know the capital of Florida, I don't know what to tell you. But it also has skills, shopping, stay connected, like remind me to call Dad on Saturday. Alexa, call Mom. Alexa, announce I'm heading home. Drop in on home. So if you have another Echo device, like a show or something like that, you can maybe drop in on them. Either send a message to one of the rooms. Obviously, it's got music, Audible, make the most of your drive. News, podcasts, weather and sports, local traffic, and search. So I don't know how many people have used the actual local search. If I say, Alexa, how long will it take to get to work? I put in my work address, obviously, in the Alexa app, and it kind of knows, okay, this is where my home is, this is where my work is, and this is what the traffic is between those spots. So here's the thing about storing your Echo, talking to your Echo. Apparently it has a dash mount as well, and here's additional documentation on this. One thing to note is that when I got my invitation to purchase, I think I signed up for this bad boy when I first, either at the end of the summer or very early fall, when I first heard about this. I signed up for an invite, and today is April 3rd, and I just got the invite, I guess, yesterday on April 2nd. My luck being luck is that it was able to ship in 1 day. I got 1 day shipping from Amazon. I don't know if it's because there's a distribution center close by, but I wasn't complaining that there was 1 day shipping on it, and it didn't cost me any extra. So this is obviously, you've been looking at this diagram here, pretty straightforward. I also got a free 3-month trial for Audible. So I don't know if anyone else has Audible, but if you had it and you canceled it, or you just don't have it at all, free 3-month trial for Audible, pretty good. I'll probably use it, set it up. There's a few books that I've been kind of meaning to read or listen to, and obviously your vehicle is the perfect place to do that. So you can see everything this little brochure has, and I'll get to trying to put this together. Again, you got all the pieces here, so we'll see what we can do to try and put this whole thing together. So here it is. I'm going to attempt to mount it on my dash up here. Anyone who has a Hyundai Santa Fe can kind of recognize that. I'm not sure if that's a good placement or where I should do it. I don't want to do it. That's a speaker, because I have the Infinity sound system in this model that has the speaker right here. Some other ones just have a little cubby, but I'm not sure, because this has to have a wire. I may just kind of put it over here by the passenger and maybe hope that that will suffice. I don't know. I'm going to have to play with this a little bit. I didn't see this at first, but the instructions did say that there was a dash mount. I didn't put it on the video, but there's also an alcohol wipe there. So obviously you can use that to kind of clean off whatever surface you intend to mount it on. So let me get this out and I'll show how that kind of fits on there. Okay, so this is the mount. As you can see, it's kind of like a flexible silicone type of thing. And for those wondering, it is kind of sticky back, but it has a little bit of adhesive, but I think this is some of that kind of gel, sticky gel backing. I don't think it's an actual adhesive that will leave adhesive stuff on your dash. At least I'm hoping not, but I guess we'll find out here. Okay, and so this is a nice little feature. I said this was the mount. I was trying to figure out how this goes in, if it just kind of puts on here. And excuse my leg and my big hand here, but basically it's got the cutout there, and the mount part that you would put in there, it's magnetic, so it just kind of snaps into place there. I don't know if any of y'all can kind of see that, but as I kind of put it in, it kind of snaps. So I'll show that again whenever I mount it, but I was just trying to kind of figure out how the mount was supposed to work, and